Okay, so this is Tecno Camon 19 and it's Eco Black 6 plus 120 GB variant. So let's check out. Firstly, you get the phone, user manual and 12 months warranty card, transparent case, type A to C cable and finally 18-watt fast charger. And here it is. We have got a two-tone finish with the amazing camera design. Really, it's looking and feeling premium and very impressive at this price. And the Tecno Camon 19 also won the IF Design Award 2022 for its outstanding design. On the right side we have the volume buttons as well as a power button which doubles up as a fingerprint sensor. At the bottom there is the headphone jack, microphone, type C port and speaker grill. Left hand side we have the SIM card slot. Now within the SIM card tray you have space for 2 SIM cards. You can also have a micro SD card so you can expand the storage up to 512 GB. Up top we just have a mic. The display has 0.98 mm slimmest bezel which allows 94.3 screen to body ratio, 500 nits of peak brightness. The display is really good. You can see that viewing angles and colors are too good. And I don't face any problem with face and fingerprint unlock. Both are working perfectly. Now let's look at the performance. It's running on the Helio G85 chipset. It's a decent mid-range processor. 6 gigs of LPDDR4X RAM and 128 gigs of eMMC 5.1 storage. And battery is 5000 mAh and just like last year we have an 18-watt fast charger in the box. And finally, let's talk about cameras. The Camon 19 has 64 megapixel main camera, 2 megapixel depth sensor, and Tecno Camon 19 has the Samsung's RGBW technology, which allows your camera phone to capture high definition images, especially in low light. These are actually good cameras. After a bit of image processing, it produces nice pictures. It's priced at 14,999 rupees, which is similar than last year's phone. We have get an upgrade in design, software, cameras and performance. Overall this is a good combo. Thanks for watching and make sure like and subscribe this channel.